campaign that is taking place in a school, and there were two groups. One group moved from A to B, B to C, and C to A, and they claimed the land within their thing. The other group moved from A to C, C to D, D to A, and they claimed this part of the land. Then what is the total land they claimed? Okay, the question is, which group claimed more area, by how much? Find the total area cleaned by the students. These are the questions. Okay, so right now this is a quadrilateral, right? In example 5, what they have given us, two groups in total, they have claimed an area which is forming a quadrilateral. So one group moved from A to B, B to C, C to A. This is a right triangle. They said this length is 9 meter and this length is 40 meters. And the other group claimed from going from here, and from here to here they claimed 15 meters, and then from D to A they claimed 28 meters. So now which group claimed more area? That is the question. Suppose group 1, this is the area claimed by group 1, and this is the area claimed by group 2. Okay, let us call area claimed by group 2 AG2, area claimed by group 1 AG1. Total area claimed is AG1 plus AG2. So you know that this is a right triangle. Area of a right triangle half into base into height. That way we can do. But for the other group to find, one length of the side is given, the other length is given, this length is not given, but this length AC is common to the triangle ADC and the other triangle ABC. So but for the triangle ABC is in the form of a right triangle, because this is 90, this is 40, and this is 9. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to AB square, which is 9 square, plus BC square, which is 40 square. Then 9 square is 81 plus 40 square is 1600. So 1600 plus 81 is 1681 is AC square. AC means you have to take square root on both sides. When you take square root, AC square becomes AC, and then this is 1681. When you clean it, then you will get 41. Then this side is 41. So what is the area of the triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC, that is area of the triangle we call AG1, right? Area cleaned by group 1. So that is AG1 is equal to half into base into height. Base is BC and height is AB. So then half into BC is 40 into AB is 9. When you cancel it, this is 20 into 9, 180 meter square. The area cleaned by group 1 is 180 meter square. Then what about area cleaned by group 2? So we'll be writing group 2. So let me use a different color. So area of triangle ADC. So in ADC, three sides are given, 28 and 15 and 41. So A is equal to 28, A equal to 28, B equal to 15, and C is equal to 41. Then semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. This is equal to 28 plus 15 plus 41 by 2. That is equal to 42 meters. Then area cleaned by group 2, AG2 equal to root over S into S minus A. S is equal to 42, we have found out. 42 into S minus A, 42 minus 28, 42 minus 28, then 42 minus 15 into 42 minus 41, then here root over 42 into 42 minus 28 is 14. 42 minus 15 is actually 27, and 42 minus actually 41. So this I have written it as 1. So let me correct it. So 42 minus 41. So that is just 1. So then the answer is, now we are going to just take things out. So let us write in the form of like products of things. So 7 6 are 42, we can write it, and then 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14, and 9 3s are 27. So now what you can do is, for 2 7s you can take 1 7 out. So 1 7 out into, for 1 9, the square root of 9 is 3, we can take that out. What is left is 6 2 and 3. So 6 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 6, so 6 6, then 1 6 can be taking out. 7 into 3 into 6, so 7 3s are 21, and 21 into 6, 126 meters square. So area cleaned by group 1 is greater than area cleaned by group 2. Total area cleaned is equal to Ag1 plus Ag2. So Ag1 plus Ag2 is 180 plus 126 meter square. This is in meter square. So this is equal to 306 meter square. Both the groups together on that campaign day, they cleaned about 306 meter square, and the group 1 which actually cleaned this place ABC, this triangle, cleaned more area.